So here's a question for you. Do you ever watch videos and you're like, how do they grow so many vegetables? Or better yet, how do they grow them so big? In this video, I'm gonna give you my 3 tips on how I grow really big vegetables. So if you're a brand new gardener, you're probably wondering how in the world are they growing vegetables that big? Or if you're a seasoned gardener, you probably have your own set ways in growing your vegetables the way you like to grow them. So I'm not going to give away any kind of crazy secrets. I'm not going to say, hey, use this fertilizer and you're going to grow, the world's largest tomato, or use this fertilizer and you're going to grow enough vegetables to, supply half the world. No, I'm just going to show you what I do. And hopefully it'll work for you to grow the biggest, largest, most amazing vegetables your brain could ever imagine. Okay, so right off the bat, soil. My soil is aged. It is constantly amended. So I have continuous nutrients in my beds. Every time I plant something, I am amending. I am adding a bone meal and a blood meal mixture to every single seed and plant that I plant. Twice a year, religiously, I amend all my beds with a mixture of organic compost, vegetable mix, and a rose mix. The reason for all that is just a powerhouse of nutrition into the soil. Now, of course, that's important because you need a strong foundation. And the foundation that I'm talking about is your soil. So your roots have plenty of nutrition to go seek, to go find, and to get what they need to grow strong, healthy, amazing plants, which will then grow you amazing vegetables. Okay, the second thing that I do, water. Consistent watering, y'all. I'm not talking water inconsistently and then you're dumping a ton of water at one time and then going days without watering. I'm talking consistent watering is the key. And watering appropriately to the plant that you're watering. Look, some plants need a lot of water. Some plants don't. And the key to that is knowing which plants need what type of water and planting those plants next to each other. As you're planting your garden or you're planning out your garden, you need to be thinking about what plants grow best together. That is a companion planting type of way of thinking, but what I'm specifically talking about is certain plants you want to water more than others. The ones that don't need a lot of water, plant together. The ones that need a lot of water, plant together. That way you can constantly keep the right amount of water on those plants, which will only benefit that plant growing its healthiest, best self and fruit. Okay, so my third tip, it's kind of a no-brainer, but these have all kind of been no-brainers, right? Seeds. Get good seeds. Now you're gonna say, how do I know what seed company is good? How do I know which seed company is gonna have the best germination rate, et cetera, et cetera? And that's a great question. Here's my advice to you. Watch a lot of channels, do a lot of research, and find the company that best suits you. For me, everyone knows I am a Baker Creek guy. I love Baker Creek. I love their company. Their seeds have a germination rate that is through the roof, and I am able to grow large vegetables with their seeds. Now, that is important because the genetic makeup of a seed obviously is going to benefit that plant. So, with the soil being amended and constantly full of nutrition, a good consistent watering schedule, and good, healthy, strong seeds, you too will be able to grow the biggest vegetables that you could possibly grow in your zone. That's also important. Make sure you're growing the vegetables according to the temperatures based on your zone. That's a bonus tip. This was your Tuesday growing tip of the week. Everyone, those are the 3 things that I do religiously to grow large, beautiful, consistent vegetables. I highly suggest if you're a brand new gardener, you get a game plan together on how you are going to grow your vegetables, tweak what's best for you. As always, everyone, if you enjoyed this video, do me the 3 favors: share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. I would love to have all of you who have not subscribed join all of us here on this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Everyone, take care, God bless, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye.